Hello everyone, I am Akash Raut and in this video we will be using scalping trading strategy with 1 minute time frame in the forex market. This strategy has been explained by this guy in his video and we will check it for our live trading because many traders you watching today they have done hard work for making their career in trading. तो मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी, आपको रिसर्च नए नए तरीके चेक करने पड़ेंगे, चार्ट स्टडी करनी पड़ेगी. Let's go through what we will cover in this video. First, we will examine the conditions and rules of the strategy. Second, we will create a script for the strategy tester in TradingView. Next, we will conduct a back testing on 3 different currency pairs because back test होगा तो आपको विश्वास होगा और confidence होगा ना. If the strategy proves to be profitable, we will automate it and start live trading. Now, let's take a look at the rules of this strategy. This strategy is built upon 3 indicators, the 20, 50 and 100 exponential moving averages EMA. For a long entry, EMA 20 must be above EMA 50 and EMA 100 and EMA 50 must be above EMA 100. If the candle retests the 20 moving average and fractal arrow appears, we will enter a buy position with the stop loss at EMA 50. If the candle retests EMA 50, the stop loss will be set at EMA 100. No valid long entry is possible if the candle closes below the 100 moving average even if a fractal arrow appears. For short entry, EMA 20 must be below EMA 50 and EMA 100 and EMA 50 must be below EMA 100. If a candle retests the 20 moving average and the fractal arrow appears, we will enter a sell position with a stop loss at EMA 50. If the candle retests EMA 50, the stop loss will be set at EMA 100. No valid short entry is possible if the candle closes above the 100 moving average even if fractal arrow appears. The target for both long and short entries is 1:1.5 ratio. Now, let's create a script in TradingView to implement these rules at the 20, 50, 100 moving averages indicator. Define rules for identifying uptrends and downtrends based on the EMAs. At the fractal indicator, create buy signals if EMA is in uptrend. A fractal bottom is generated and the EMA was tested 2 candles ago. as fractals shows up after two candles. For sell signals, do the opposite. EMA should be in a downtrend. A fractal top is generated and the EMA was tested 2 candles ago. Say stop loss at EMA 50 for retest on EMA 20 and EMA 100 for retest on EMA 50. The take profit TP will be at a 1.5 ratio of the stop loss difference. You can visualize the script on the chart. Buy entries occur when candle retest and the fractal arrow appears, while sell entries occur when candle retest EMA 50 with a top fractal arrow. Now let's move on back testing. First, let's test this strategy on EURUSD. We will observe the net profit, percentage profitable, profit factor, and the maximum drawdown. In EURUSD, we will trade with a one lot. We experience a loss of $817, resulting in negative net profit. The percentage profitable stands at 38%, which is bad for profitability. The profit factor is 0.8, indicating bad for profitability. The maximum drawdown is $1,934, which is negative result. Therefore, this strategy does not seem to be profitable in EURUSD. Next, we will test it on GBP/JPY. In GBP/JPY, we will trade with one lot. We face a loss of $1,500. The percentage profitable is $40, close to the average of profitability. The profit factor is 0.9, indicating moderate performance. The maximum drawdown is approximately $99,000, which is extremely bad. Overall, this strategy appears to be profitable in GBP/JPY, though not highly so. चलिए हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे. Now let's test in on gold XJUSD. In XJUSD, we will trade 0.1 lot here. We lost approximately $15,000. The percentage profitable is 43%, which is bad. The profit factor is 0.9, which is not good. However, the maximum drawdown is 40 times greater than the net loss. So this strategy is not showing good results. हमें strategy consistent profitable नहीं दिख रही. So we will not proceed with automated algo trading using this strategy. If you would like the script code for free, you can find link in the description. और आप कौन से strategy को बैकटेस्ट या फिर लाइव कराना चाहते हो उसके लिए कमेंट कीजिए. 15 से 20 साल मेहनत करते हो, इतना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हो एजुकेशन के ऊपर, so give enough time for trading. Learn and then remove L from it and earn. So focus on learning. If you need assistance with strategy backtesting or algo trading, feel free to contact us using the provided phone number on the screen. I hope if you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing and clicking on notification icon. तो फिलहाल तो अभी चलते हैं. Stay tuned, stay happy and enjoy trading.